Good morning, Sharmila, Shrutika, Vishal. Good morning, beta. Shall we start the class? Okay. Now look here. Just 1 minute. Inform everyone. Extensive revision we are going to do. Now some questions are there. They are asking like without actual division. In polynomial, first I am starting some very weird question. Jiva, good morning, beta. So very important questions. Very precisely we are going to cover up. Today, I have already informed you. Afternoon timing I have also given you for revision. That time also I will be seeing how much is your preparation. Fine. So now look here. First question is without actual division. Without actual division. Without actual division. Kanishka, good morning. Without actual division, prove that prove that 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2 is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. Now when these type of questions will be given, then what should be the way of approach? Means how to solve these questions without doing much work. Fine. How to solve these questions without doing much work? Means if they will be asking these questions, like x square minus 3x plus 2 and x square minus 3x plus 2, this is exactly going to divide this one, but we cannot use division method. So here we are not supposed to use division method. Without using division method, what you have to do, you have to prove that this is exactly divisible. So for first this, what we have to do, first simple work is, we will take this one as f of x. So let f of x will be equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square and g of x is x square minus 3x plus 2. So f of x and yes, middle split term. So what we are going to do here now, Vishal, we are exactly going to write f of x is this much, g of x is this much. So look here, if you have to understand one very important point, what I am saying, in polynomial, you have to remember one very important thing, that yes, Vishal, I have informed the timings now. I don't know because other classes are also there. So what timing I have given you, please kindly stick to the timing. Fine. Please kindly stick to the timing. Whatever timings I have given, just stick to the timing. Now look here. The most important thing is f of x is given to you as 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2. And g of x is x cube minus 3x plus 2 is there. Now the most important thing here is, g of x is exactly going to divide f of x, but without using actual division. Now in this case, you have to remember one very important thing. That important thing is factors. Okay, what word I have used? I have used the word factors. So now factors means what will be the factor of this one? That factor will be satisfying this part. It is exactly going to be means divisible. Okay, so any one of its factor will be capable of what you call making the f of x equal to 0. So if factors can make f of x equal to 0, I repeat, if f of factor will make f of x equal to 0, that means it is also divisible. So one of the factor also will make it equal to 0, that means it is divisible. So such questions are very, very important questions. So now look here, what we have to do here, we will say that now g of x we will be solving. G of x, do the factorization of it. So x square so g of x, x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2. So g of x, x minus 1 x minus 2. So now g of x is coming as x minus 1 x minus 2. So make g of x equal to 0. The moment first now you write this statement. If g of x, see look here, first what we did nothing till now. We wrote this one as f of x and this one we have written as g of x, and then what we have done, we made g of x equal to 0 and then we got x value. Now we are saying that if g what you call g of x is exactly divisible, f of x is divisible by g of x, then x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 will be the solution. Okay, this will be the solution and this can satisfy f of x. This is exactly the last statement we have to do, and directly we have to substitute the value. What did I say? This is the last statement, and after that directly we have to substitute the value. So we are going to write like this only. We are going to say that if f of x is divisible by g of x, then x will be 1 and x equal to 2 must be the solution of f of x. Okay, so if f of x is divided by g of x, then whatever values we got from g of x, that values, the moment we are going to substitute in f of x, the moment it is coming equal to 0, means 100% guaranteed f of x is divisible by g of x. So now we just have to substitute it. F of 1, check, is it coming equal to 0 or not? 2x4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square f of x equal to. So when x will be equal to 1, what it will become? F of 1. 2 into 1 to the power 4 minus 5 into 1 to the power cube plus 2 into 1 to the power square minus 1 plus 2. So 2 minus 5 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. So it is exactly coming to 4, 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Now f of 2, if we will substitute, so 2 into 2 to the power 4 minus 5 into 2 to the power cube plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 cancelled. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 16, 16 2s are 32. 8 5s are 40 plus 8. Hence, so when they will divide, remainder will become 0. When they will divide, remainder will become 0. So these are some typical questions. If in case we might have left out these questions, so I just covered these questions up. So that in case if accidentally also in exam they will give you this question, you will be able to know how to handle these type of questions. Okay, I hope everybody understood how to solve this question. Nothing, we have done f of x and then g of x. First work is what we have done, we got the factors of g of x, we made the factor equal to 0, and after making the factor equal to 0, we just whatever solution we got, we said that if this solution will satisfy f of x, that means f of x is exactly divisible by g of x. So both the solutions satisfied, that means 100% f of x is divisible by g of x, leaving remainder 0. Leaving remainder 0. I hope everybody understood this point. Shall we go for some other typical questions? So some polynomial very typical questions I am doing. Everyone sleeping? Good morning. Okay, come on. Wish auntie good morning first. Monday exam is there. Monday exam is there. I kept a special session. What is going on? Don't think that the moment I'll go there in offline, I'll definitely ask questions from all of you. So if the polynomial Sharmila, Kanishka, Shrutika, Vishal, Krisha, Jiva, okay. Now look here. If the polynomial ax cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 3x minus 4 and x cube minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder, when divided by x minus 3, then find the value of a. Then find the value of a. Start solving, beta. Solve it. So the polynomial, these two are two polynomial. Here it is written as a only, okay. When they are exactly divided by x minus 3, so they are giving the same remainder. So remainder for both of them will be equal. Now you have to find the value of a. You have to find the value of a. So since both of them are exactly giving same remainder, you have to find the value of a. How to solve this question? How to solve this question when exactly you know that? So one small work you have to do. Look here. What work you have to do is, first you write, let f of x equal to ax cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4. Minus 41 by 27. A is coming minus 41 by 27. Okay, let's see. Now look here, beta. F of x, g of x we have taken since see the remainder for both. So when x minus 3 divides f of x and g of x, it leaves the same remainder. It leaves the same remainder. Yes, it leaves the same remainder. Here few things are there. A is coming as equal to minus 1. Shrutika is telling A is coming as minus 1. So now let's see. It is leaving the same remainder, beta. So that means 100% when x will be equal to 3. So that means x will be x minus 3 is equal to 0. That means x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Okay, so if leaves the same remainder, that means when you are substituting x equal to 3, when substituting x equal to 3, so when x equal to 3 is substituted, when x equal to 3 is substituted in f of x and g of x, okay, that is, then f of 3 will be equal to g of 3. Why? Because the remainder remains the same. So when we substitute the value, we are exactly expecting the remainder. Okay. So when we are substituting the value, we are expecting the remainder. So here, the moment we are substituting the value, we are expecting here the remainder will be equal, because they have given in the question that when you substitute the value, the remainder remains same. So since the remainder will be remaining same, the value will be coming equal. So now only one work is there. We are going to substitute x equal to 3 in f of x. So now here f of 3 is what? F of 3 will become a into 3 cube plus 4 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 minus 4. So f of 3, 327a plus 3 9, 9 4s are 36 plus 9 minus 4. 9 plus 6 will become 45. 45 minus 4. So this is exactly f of 3. Now what will be g of 3? G of 3 is coming as 3 cube minus 4 into 3 plus a. So g of 3 is coming as 27 minus 12 plus a. So g of 3 is coming as 7 minus 2, 5, 15 plus a. Now since they told that remainder is same, so now since remainder is same, so 27 plus a, 27 into a plus 41 is equal to 15 plus a. So 27a minus a equal to 15 minus 41. So 26a will be equal to minus 26. So a will be equal to therefore a is coming as minus 1. Absolutely correct answer. A is coming as minus 1. This is exactly the testing period, dear. I am not only watching your consistency, I am watching everything. How long you can go with me, that is also I am watching. So 100%. This is exactly very good steps what you have taken. Shruti, super beta. Super. Shall we go with next question? Shall we go with next question? Kanishka, minus 1, absolutely correct. Sharmila, minus 1 answer is correct only. Minus 1. Kanishka, okay, super. So shall we go for next question, please? Shall we go for next question? Okay. Now one factorization will be 100% there. From polynomial, one factorization will be 100% there. So today till 7:30 I am going to teach you. Okay. So just 5 minutes before 7:30 I am going to leave you, because I know you are having school today. Do you have school today? I don't think you have school today, na? Now look here. Start doing factorization. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Go for it. You have school or you don't have school? Okay. Come on, go for it. Then for afternoon session, you have to prepare polynomial very nicely, prepare circle chapter very nicely, and surface area and volume. 3 chapters, and construction 4 chapters. 4 chapters if it is possible. Revise all the 4 chapters very nicely, and then we will meet. And then I will okay Divya, when we will meet, we will be discussing about most important questions which can come for Monday's exam. Fine. So 4 important chapters, 4 important questions I will give you, and I will tell you how to solve those questions also. So be ready. 2 mark questions, 3 mark question, 4 mark question, case studies. Very good, Shruti. X plus 3, 2x plus 1. Okay, Shruti is giving answer x plus 3, 2x plus 1. What about others? What is the answer you are getting? Come on, quickly tell me. X plus 3, 2x plus 1. Vishal is also saying the answer. 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. Now let's see. Vishal, 2x plus 1, x plus 3. Okay. Now look here. First work is when you are getting this question. Now 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is there. Now here 7 is needed. So what we can do here is 2 3s are 6. What we can write there is 2 3s are 6. So now here, but we are needing 7. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So look here, 2 3s are middle split if we will do, then 100% we will be needing 7. So since we will be needing 7, we need one number more than 6. So 100% we know that when we are talking about factor, so 2 into 3 into 1. So here, because 1 is a factor, so always remember 1 is a hidden factor. So once 1 is a hidden factor, so that hidden factor we are going to utilize. So now look here, it is going to come as 6x plus x plus 3. So now 100% we are going to write 2x, it will become x plus 3 and then plus 1 x plus 3. So it is exactly going to come as 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. Absolutely correct. Those who have given the answer, Shruti, Vishal, Sharmila, Kanishka, answer is correct. Now I am going to give you another question. Some factorization questions, let's solve. Some easy and some difficult, all questions I want you to handle today. So I am just starting with another So one more time I am giving revision to these questions. So x minus 2y whole square minus 4, x minus 2y minus 13. Try to go for this question. Go for this. 9x minus 2y whole square minus 4x minus 2y minus 13. Go for this question. Try this question out. Many a times we have solved these type of questions. Yes, these are the 4 chapters. First we are going to go for revision for these 4 chapters. Today and tomorrow we will be going for revisions and we will be discussing what can be the question paper and how can be the question paper. Construction work I will give you and you just bring the geometry box with you. Okay, bring the geometry box with you so that we can do construction work also. Come on, do this question first. Yesterday, Vishal, you have asked a question or Keshav has asked a question. I think any one of you asked the question. I didn't got time to solve the question. So soon I am going to solve and send solution. Don't worry. Now someone spoke. Me. Fine. I'll see your question after the class. Because that time I didn't got time. I had to set some question papers. So that time I was damn busy. I was not able to see your question properly also. But I know someone sent a question. I was confused about Keshav or Vishal. Who sent the question? Come on, start solving this question. What answer you are getting? So I told you many a times, Keshav, x minus 2y plus 1, 9x minus 18y minus 13. Okay, now look here, when they will be asking this type of question, when you have nothing, then what you are going to do? Are you going to stop yourself? No, you are not going to stop yourself. What you are going to do? So when this part, first you take it equal to a, any other variable. So this will become 9a. So just first intimate them that what you are doing. So write, let x minus 2y equal to a. The moment you have written x minus 2y equal to a, 9a square minus 4a minus 13. 9a square minus 4a, 9a square minus 4a minus 13 is there. So now how to bring exactly? So you know that 13 9 minus 9 will become 4a. Directly we can say 13 minus 9 will become 4a. So we will write, okay, minus 13a plus 9a minus 13 came na. So it will become 9. If we will take a common, it will become 9a minus 13. Here 1 common, it will become 9a minus 13. So it is exactly going to come as a plus 1 9a minus 13. A plus 1 9a minus